Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today, my group and I will be presenting an important topic in the takaful industry, which is liability takaful, under the subject Introduction to Takaful INS510. This presentation is prepared for our lecturer, Sir Muhammad KHAIRUL Arif Noor. Our group members are Muhammad FARIS IZWAN, NOOR AINA ZAWANAH, HAIQAL FAIQ and NOOR AINA BALQIS. Throughout this presentation, we will explain what liability takaful is, the key concepts behind it, the types of coverage, examples of real cases, and why is it essential for modern businesses, professionals, and individuals. Let us begin. Here is the list of our group members along with our student IDs. Each of us contributed to different parts of this project, including understanding Sharia principles, analyzing the coverage structure, and preparing real-life case examples. With the introduction completed, let's proceed to the main content.
Liability Takaful is a Sharia compliant protection scheme in which participants mutually guarantee one another against claims made by third parties. This claim may involve injuries caused to another person, damage to someone's property, or financial loss due to negligence or mistake. Unlike conventional insurance, which transfer risks to an insurer, Takaful is based on mutual cooperation and shared responsibility, ensuring fairness and transparency for all participants. This makes liability takaful both ethical and aligned with Islamic principles.
So now, let's move to the key concepts.
There are several key concepts that shape how liability takaful works. The first one is tabarruk. This means donation. The contributions made by participants are donated into a shared pool for mutual assistance. This intention removes elements for uncertainty and ensures fairness. The second one, takaful fund. All contributions are placed into a fund that belongs collectively to all participants. The fund is used to pay claims when incident happens. And the last one is role of the takaful operator. The operator manages the fund but not owns it. Management may follow two models, which is wakala. The operator earns a fee for managing the fund, and mudarabah, profits from investment and share between the operator and the participants. So these principles ensure that the system remains ethical, transparent, and also Sharia compliant.
So now, what are important of liability takaful? Let's look together.
Liability takaful is extremely important for both businesses and professionals. Firstly, it protects individuals and organizations from unexpected legal costs. For example, if someone is injured at your premises or suffers financial loss due to your actions, the compensation required can be very costly. Secondly, many industries must have liability protection to meet legal and regulatory requirements, including contractors, medical professionals, consultants, engineers, and many more. Thirdly, it promotes Sharia compliant protection, ensuring transparency, fairness, and ethical financial practice. Overall, liability takaful supports business stability and helps organizations operate with confidence while managing risk responsibly.
Liability takaful provides several types of coverage. First is bodily injury. This covers injuries suffered by customers, visitors, or the public due to your business activities. Second is property damage. If your action or negligence cause damage to another person, property, this coverage helps protect you. The third is legal expense. This includes lawyer fees, court costs, and settlement payments. The fourth is professional error. For professionals like consultant, doctor, engineer, or accountant, this covers mistake or wrong advice that result in financial loss to client.
Next, do you guys know how many types of liability takaful have? Let's hear together the details of the types of liability takaful.
I will be talking about types of liability takaful. There are 5 types of liability protections under takaful. The first one is public liability takaful. Protects against injury or damage experienced by customers or the public due to your business operation. The second one, product liability takaful. It covers harms caused by defective or unsafe products. Next, professional indemnity takaful. It designed for professionals who provide advice or services such as doctors, engineers, and consultants. The 40th one, employers liability takaful, covers employees who experience injuries during work. And the last one is directors and office, D&O. The liability takaful protects company directors and top management from claims involving mismanagement or breach of duty.
Alright, next, I will present about the claim process. The claim process in liability takaful involves several important steps to ensure fairness and transparency. Let me explain each detail in detail. First, loss or incident occur. This is when something unexpected happens. For example, a customer gets injured, property is damaged, or a professional mistake is made. The incident must be something covered under the participant takaful certificate. Second, policyholder report to claim the takaful operator. Once the incident happens, the participant must notify the takaful operator as soon as possible. They will need to submit documents such as photos, report, medical bills, or witness statement to support the claim. Third, operator investigate. The takaful operator will review all the details to confirm what happened. They may interview witness, check document, or visit the location to ensure the claim is valid. This step help prevent fraud and ensure the fund is used fairly. Number 4, payment is made from the takaful fund. If the claim is accepted, compensation is made from the share of takaful fund. This includes medical costs, repair costs, or legal expenses, depending on the type of claim. Number 5, surplus sharing, if applicable. At the end of the financial year, if there is extra money left in the fund after paying claim and expenses, some operator may distribute the surplus back to participant. This is unique to takaful and show the cooperative nature of the system. Alright, and lastly, number 6, follow up and support. The operator continues to help the participant until the claim is fully resolved. This includes update to the notification, clarification of document, and guidance to the next step. This entire process ensures fairness, accountability, and protection for all participants. Alright, next, we will move to the next slide. Alright, next. Alright, I will explain about takaful vs conventional. On this slide, we are comparing liability takaful with conventional liability insurance, and I will explain the key difference. First, in takaful, based on mutual cooperation, participants help each other using a share fund. The risk is shared, not transferred to a company. This creates a sense of solidarity and support among everyone involved. Contributions are tabaru. Here, payment are considered donation, mean to help others in need. This approach removes uncertainty and unfairness that can exist in conventional insurance. Avoid riba, gharar, and masir. Takaful strictly follow Sharia principle to avoid. First, riba, which is interest, gharar, which is excessive uncertainty, and lastly, masir, gambling-like element. This ensures the system is ethical and compliant with Islamic teaching. Surplus belong to participant. If the fund has extra money after paying claim as expenses, the surplus is returned to participant of use for their benefits. Unlike conventional insurance, profit do not go to the company. Now, looking at conventional insurance, The risk is transferred to the insurance company and participants are treated as customer. Payment are called premium and the main goal is profit, not helping each other. Contract may include riba and gharar, which Takaful avoid. Any surplus or profit belong entirely to the company, not the policyholder. In summary, Takaful is built on cooperation, fairness and ethical principle, while conventional insurance focus on profit and risk transfer. So, Takaful is more than just being an insurance. It's a faith-based financial system that benefit participants collectively. Alright, next we move to the next slide.
On this slide, we'll discuss who needs liability takaful and why it's important. First, SMEs and large companies. Both small and large businesses face potential risks such as accidents, property damage or claims for third parties. Liability takaful protect these business financially, ensuring that unexpected incidents don't disrupt operation. Next, contractors and construction firms. Constructions works involves inherent risks to workers, clients and the public. Liability takaful provides coverage against accidents or damage that may occur on site, giving both the company and clients confidence. Then, cafe and restaurants. Food and beverage businesses can face claims due to accidents, injuries or food-related issues. With liability takaful, owners are protected from financial loss while maintaining ethical coverage. Next, professional service providers. Professionals such as doctor, consultants or lawyer may be held responsible for errors or negligence. Liability takaful covers legal claims, protecting both their finance and reputations. Next, event organizer. Organizing event carries the risk of injuries, property damage or legal claims from attendees. Liability takaful ensures organizers can run events safely and responsibly. Next, manufacturers. Manufacturing businesses may face claims if their products cause harm or damage. Liability takaful help manage this risk and provide ethical, Sharia-compliant protection. In summary, liability takaful is essential for any business or professional exposed to legal or financial risk. It provides protection, peace of mind, and ethical compliance according to Sharia principles.
Alright, next I will present about the case study. On this slide, we have two real-life examples that show how liability takaful work in practice. Case number 1, customer injury in a cafe. In this situation, a customer slipped on a wet floor and unfortunately suffered a wrist fracture. Public liability takaful covered the medical expenses and also the legal defense costs in case of any claim. This example demonstrates how businesses like cafes can continue operating without facing huge financial loss from unexpected accidents. It also shows the importance of ethical and fair protection under takaful principle. Case number 2, employee injured at work. A warehouse worker injured his back while lifting heavy boxes, which could have been costly for the employer. Employers liability takaful step in to pay for the medical treatment and compensation to the employee. This case highlights how takaful not only protect business financially but also ensure employees are cared for responsibly, reflecting the system cooperative and ethical approach. In summary, this example clearly show that liability takaful help reduce financial burden on businesses while ensuring ethical and fair support for both customer and employee. It allowed companies to focus on their operation confidently, knowing they are protected from unforeseen risks. That's all. We move to the last slide.
In conclusion, liability takaful plays an essential role in providing protection against third-party claims, built on the principle of mutual cooperation, tabarruk and Sharia compliance. It offers ethical, transparent, and fair protection for individual, professional, and business. It also promotes responsible business practice and serves as a financial safety net during unexpected events. This brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you. We hope this presentation has helped you better understand liability takaful.
Hope you guys enjoy and understand more about the liability takaful.